And you can also scale objects. So for example, if I wanted to scale this text, I could just use the grips here to scale it and make it larger. But if I wanted to be more precise, I could use the scale command. And with the scale command, you select the object you want to scale. So maybe if I want to select and scale more than one object, you'll pick the point that you want to scale from. So if I want to scale it about the center, you then can come in and lock the X and Y, or I can scale it a different horizontal X direction or in a Y scale. You can also scale vertically as well, so you can actually do 3D scaling. So if I was to do this and I want to make this twice as big, I would scale it 2 times, and when I click apply, it's going to scale it twice. If I want to go smaller, I can do 0.5 and apply, and it's going to scale it back down in half.